Hey guys, so so if you go to Google Translate and when you search in French, wait, what is it? I don't care. Okay, so when you do cute onion and repeat this, I wish I could just repeat this. Wait, what about like this? Oh, okay. So you just honestly, my trick is just to spam it. Wait, why does it always do that? Okay, this now. Try like this. Copy. And now paste. Now that's even faster. And now like that. Copy. This. Wait, no. And wait, what? Like, why is it not working? Sorry. Paste. Okay, that should be enough. Now look, onion minion. Listen.
União, miniu, 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 união, miniu. União, miniu, 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 união, miniu.
Bro, that just sounds so weird. Anyways, that was all. Thank you for watching. See ya.